Hi again, everyone. It's Joe, and I'm back with lot number 2 of my destashing for my articles from the craft fair. If you didn't see the first one, you can go back, take a look at it, but this is going to have the same types of things in there. They're just different patterns. So what you're going to get in these is 4 of the kids' kits, 3 bookmarks that are laminated, 4 pocket albums, and one of them is going to be like a recipe, the other a Christmas, a color me. There'll be different ones. 1 mini journal, and 1 regular size journal. And then there'll be some assorted gifts that I will be tucking in there for you. So these were very good sellers, and I will quickly show you. I did in the first one, but I will quickly show you what these pocket albums are in case you don't know. They look like this, and they're on rings, and they got little tassels on them. They open up so that there are 2 pages on each one, and then the pages, there are 2 tags in each one, but there are pockets in each one of these pages. So you get actually 2 pockets per page. And all of them, of course, are decorated a little bit differently. And all of them are packaged so that you don't have to repackage anything. And this is the back part of it. And the back. So that's what these look like. Now here is the Christmas designed one. And again, it has the tags and the tassels and things on it. This is the Color Me one. It has different designs throughout the journal. So yeah, you can put your own pictures in there. You can journal in here, but also you can color in here if you'd like to. Great gifts for kids, young teens. Here is a beach type one. Really pretty, really, really pretty. All of it's nicely packaged. And a lot of them have like a 3D decoration type that are raised on the covers. And this one here, this is a recipe one, and you may want to charge a little extra for this if you want to. You know, it all depends on what area you live in. We all charge different prices for things because it depends on the crowd and what they're willing to pay. But the recipe ones have lots and lots of recipe cards in them. So these were very popular. And the last one is kind of a shabby chic one. I think it's kind of pretty. So these make nice gifts for family, but they make nice gifts too because they're not that expensive to give away, you know, at the office or something like that, or some group or club you belong to. All right, so here are the kids packs. Now I'll just run over it again. Each of the kids packs contain a pencil sharpener, a pencil, 4 crayons which are packaged, stickers, a book, a notebook to write on, and it's got 2 double-sided pages of coloring book in it. This little tiny paper clip that's all fancy, and then some stickers. These are the foam stickers that are sticky on the back, so they can put them, paste them wherever they want to. And these were very good. A lot of the people bought them for the kids for right when they were there, and I guess to keep them quiet. And then a lot of them bought them for gifts or stocking stuffers. So that's one design. Another design here, that little monkey on it. This is kind of a 3D. It's up on Pop Dots. And here's another one. This could even be good for a little older child. And here's the last one. So these are very versatile, and if I were, when I sold them, I actually put a little sign over the top of them that told exactly what it had inside. So here are the bookmarks. I love this paper. This is some of my favorite paper. And again, these are all laminated. And there are a lot of people out there that don't read the books on their pads. They actually read the hardcover books. So these went very well. As did these. These are so cute. These are laminated. And open them up, and you have a little pocket and a little card in there. And then there are two little books in here. Each of them is decorated. So again, those were nice, steady sellers. And one lady bought one. She said, I just want that for inside my purse. So, and here is a journal. This is a regular size journal. And I call them the poor man's journal, because if you're going to go pay for a journal someplace, you're going to pay $25, $35, $45, or $50, depending on what the style, how thick it is, and all that type of thing. So this is laminated. And take that off. Open it up. It's got a pocket in the front. It's got one full book, two full books, another pocket, another tag. It's also got a paper clip, and it has a pen that goes with it. So whatever you charge for them is, you know, like I said, it depends on where you live and what people are willing to pay, but all of these were pretty decent sellers. Some of them you may have to explain what they are. For instance, these pocket journals, you might have to show people. I left one open just so I could show people what it was. And again, they're going to be $35, and I will try to get them into the box that will be like the $13 shipping box. And also I will be tucking tons of little gifts in there for you too. So this is lot number 2. And it's going to be, of course, first come, first serve. And you don't have to do anything with them. Just take them right to your craft fair. So thanks for joining me, and there will be more information in the box below. Bye-bye.